Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. It is springtime and I have been putting together a bunch of side dish salad style recipes for Easter. I love sharing these recipes with you all. I will put the ingredients and directions in the description below, guaranteed. So I'm going to start off today's rainbow macaroni salad with already having my macaroni cooked. I've been busy in the kitchen today. I have about 3 cups of elbow macaroni noodles that I cooked. You want to make sure you do not overcook your pasta anytime you're making pasta salad. But you want to make sure that they are thoroughly cooked as well. And then I drained it in the strainer, rinsed it with cold water, and let my noodles chill. If you're in a hurry, you can always stick them into the refrigerator for a couple of minutes. So I'm going to put my macaroni noodles into my bowl. I'm going to grab a small bowl here. And for our dressing, I'm going to do a half a cup of mayo. I am using Hellmann's Light. And we are going to use some Greek yogurt. If you've got plain Greek yogurt, that works best. Mine is a honey vanilla flavor, which is okay. It kind of adds a little sweetness. And you want about a half a cup of that as well. You don't have to be super exact. And then we are going to do 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar. Now, usually I will use like a white wine vinegar. I actually don't have any on hand. Use what you've got. I'm going to use regular vinegar, white vinegar. So again, 1.5 tablespoons there of the vinegar. We are going to do 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. My Dijon's about out. I got to give it some extra shakes here. If you don't have Dijon mustard, you could use some ground mustard a little bit there. I just like the hint of the Dijon. Adds a nice little flavor to your pasta salad. Then we are going to do 2 teaspoons of honey as well. And I'm just going to, honey is so sticky that I just skip using the measuring and I just give a little squeeze for teaspoon. There's 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. A tablespoon is a big squeeze, just for reference. Okay. We are going to give this a nice mix. Make sure you get that vinegar mixed in really well into your mayo yogurt. Okay. Grab our pasta. I'm going to go ahead and put this in. And then we are going to add our extra ingredients, our toppings into our pasta salad. This is where the rainbow part comes about, and you can really use what you have on hand in your fridge. I like to do about a cup of shredded carrots, which is about a handful. And I am going to I have some leftover, I had like a Ziploc of multicolored bell pepper strips, and I was like, this is a great way to use them up. So I'm going to do about a cup or so of my bell peppers, orange, red, yellow. And then I have some onion. I usually use red onion for my pasta salads, but I don't happen to have any on hand. I just have white onion. And so I'm going to do about 1/4 cup of diced onion. And then I have some black olives. I love olives. We're going to add a couple olives over here. And then I have some diced ham cubes to use up. So we're going to do about a cup of those. If you have some celery, you could dice up some celery to throw in here, or some cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna leave those ones out this time. I have bacon crumbles that we're gonna toss in. Everybody loves a little bacon. It's probably about a half cup or so. And then we need some parsley. And I'm gonna kind of just sprinkle the parsley around the top. It's about 1 to 2 tablespoons or so. And then I'm gonna give this a nice, good mix. You could add some dry dill or some dry ranch, like a dry ranch packet, into your pasta salad. Goes really well. Everybody loves a ranch pasta salad. There we go. This is a perfect little side dish. Great leftovers. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching today and for sharing our recipes with your family and friends. I will leave in the description below the Pinterest pin link so you can save this to your Pinterest, add it to your meal planning. We'll see y'all next time.